My boy says dump it. This is going to be a good one.
It's time to sell your XRP. Get out of the way.
My boy said it's time to sell your XRP. Everybody, time to sell your XRP.
Don't be a victim. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Da Vinci Jeremy. Man, crypto, it goes up and it comes back down.
Ain't that the truth?
Bitcoin's down and you're scared. You're wondering what's going to happen
scared?
next. We're going to be
I'm scared.
about that once we do some chart analysis on Bitcoin. And we're also going to be talking about Ethereum. What's going on? Should you be afraid of this dump? What's going on? I don't know what to do. Well, I'm going to tell you.
I don't know what to do. Help me out.
Hold your horses, but I'm going to tell you a little bit more about that in today's episode. So make sure you stay tuned. XRP triggers a 125% volume surge amid a market crash. Ooh, damn. XRP's volume has only pumped.
Scary.
When everything's dumping. That's a bad sign.
My boy said XRP's volume only pumps when everything's dumping. Oh my God. As the cryptocurrency market faces a significant downturn. I mean, are we really in a downturn? XRP has remarkably ignited a 125% surge. My boy's saying it only goes up when everything else is dumping.
Very bad sign. This means people are getting out of an asset that they're holding, hoping that as everything else.
I don't think they're getting out. I literally think they're doing nothing.
This did not rise. As the cryptocurrency market faces a significant downturn, XRP has ignited a remarkable 125 surge in trading volume. People getting out. Didn't I tell you guys not to buy that?
He said, didn't I tell you guys not to buy that? Oh, shit. That shit coin, right? Oh, my God.
Buying XRP is like voting for the Federal Reserve, right? Voting for your enslavement. That's what you're doing.
What are you talking about?
It's illogical.
I mean, I know it's sitting around 60-something cents as of today, March the 28th, but that some bitch has been living in that range for like a decade. I don't think people are selling, and I don't think people are buying.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna put money into something that was going to enslave me. Yes.
What is he talking about?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Right? I mean, okay, you could trade it, but don't buy and hold it. Don't be crazy. So, according to CoinMarketCap data, XRP has experienced a
don't be crazy, guys.
% increase in 24-hour trading volume, amounting to a whopping 4 billion. Oof. 4 billion people trying to get out.
4 billion people trying to get out.
They have to take those bags and hold those bags. So
this guy hates XRP. This is hilarious.
You can give it to the market makers out there that's holding the price up. It's yes, it's giving us an upward trend. You can see here, this is an upward trend of XRP, but
XRP follows Bitcoin. Everything follows Bitcoin. All right. At the end of the day, if Bitcoin goes up, XRP is going to go up. The only reason it didn't break to an all-time high last cycle was because of the SEC lawsuit.
But lower highs as we go up. So is this thing destined to break? This thing looks like it's destined to break down even to the 40-cent level here.
No, it doesn't.
Look out.
No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. You can take this right there. You can draw this long ass triangle. It's been accumulated. It's getting higher lows. It doesn't look like it's going to break down into 40 cents. My boy's just trying to scare people who have no idea what they're doing.
That. And what do you sell your stinking crypto of XRP into? Well, if you're going to risk your money, put it in bread. Don't know if it's going to
never do that. Well, but that might be the dumbest thing I've ever heard. Sell your XRP and put it into bread. What the hell is bread? No, if you do that, you need to be taken outside and slapped in the face. Period.
Of that, right? A lot higher probability than your XRP of making some money. You're a little bit more risk averse. You're like, oh, dude, Shiba then. Shiba Inu. Right? Because you know what? Shiba at least has fundamentals that are useful, right? Compared to XRP. Okay.
Did he just say Shiba Inu has fundamentals compared to XRP? Look, XRP ain't doing nothing. I get it. But let's not dog its fundamentals. And if you're trying to compare Shiba from a fundamental standpoint to XRP, you are smoking some crack down there in Dubai. I think this would be a great time in the video that if you're finding value, hey, give this video a thumbs up. And also let me know down below, do you plan on dumping your XRP? Let's get back to the video.
Let's take a look at Bitcoin. The price has a crazy low here.
Now, this is old. Bitcoin's not at 61,000 anymore.
Right. And Bitcoin has probably some more downside to go. You can see that.
All right. He said Bitcoin probably has some more downside to go. It's at 61,000. Let's take a look at Bitcoin really quick just to see. Now, that says March the 20th. Okay, March the 20th, 61,000. He said it's got some more downside. Let's check it out. All right, looking at Bitcoin. This was March the 20th. Actually, we got an accumulation sticker. I want you to see what happened. Because remember, my boy said we probably got some more downside to go. Here was March the 20th, right there. We literally did nothing but go up. And now we're sitting at $70,000. So when he was filming this, it's at 61 right here. He said, yeah, we probably got more downside. It did the exact opposite. And you're going to trust him when he's talking about XRP and how bad it is?
This location here could be a time for a rebound. Before we actually dip down below to the 50K. So be careful of that.
So a slight rebound, and then we're going to dip down to 50K. Going back, taking a look at it. Yeah, I guess your slight rebound means up to like 70 G's. This guy doesn't know what the hell he's talking about when it comes to technical analysis. Like, what do you know, really? Like, have you ever traded in your life?
Right now, as you can see, this is definitely a downward spiral. So if we basically, I would say maybe this would be the actual targets here. If we could break this trend line here above this trend line, that would be a good indication that if we create some market structure on the other side, that hey, you know what, we're going to go higher. Yeah, or we break above the levels, the new resistance level, which is the $65,000 mark, 65,644. Then we could say Bitcoin could go higher. But right now, Bitcoin is looking like it wants to go.
He's throwing all his angles right now. It's like, oh, if it breaks the trend line, it might go up. If it bounces, it might go down. Yeah, my 13-year-old can see that.
Even lower, going further out here. So be careful. Let's take a look at
Ethereum. Here we go.
Close it out.
Let's see his analysis on Ethereum.
Is, just as bad as Bitcoin, right? Things are like gotten a little bit scary.
A little bit scary. All right, it was 3,128 on March the 20th. Let's pull it over really quick. 3,000. Let's go. Same time period right there. Well, this has done nothing but go up. We hit a bottom down here. We were undervalued. We bounced. Now we're coming off that trend line. We're forming that kind of it's not really a wedge, but it's more of a triangle pattern. But you can see we bounced. If we break through 3,700, if we get through that, it's going to go higher. So remember, though, at the time, 31. Let's see what he says about Ethereum.
But hey, this is the way the market is. Bitcoin and Ethereum will take big dumps. Right, we can see a 36%, and
he just Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to take big dumps, and he's telling you to sell all your XRP now for Brent. What the fuck is he talking
That's
about?
normal in this market. So don't be surprised if this big move comes to a theater near you. It's looking like that more and more with
shit. What theater?
That we are going to actually.
Because I ain't going
straight down in this downward movement, and you can see that this basically for it to make it's huge.
I don't really know what he's talking about. I don't even think he knows what he's talking about. All those lines, and he's talking about these Fibonacci's. Yeah, first of all, he was way off on everything, and he's going to be way off on XRP too.
where we're probably headed to is a likely target for Ethereum, unfortunately. Look for reversals, of course, as this happens. And when it does, you might want to do a short, but we should wait and see what happens.
Don't listen to him. No short, right? If you listen to him, you lost. Don't listen to him.
Happens with the market price before you do jump into any shorts. And so I'm still waiting for that to occur. Okay. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed.
All right. My boy said, dump it. First of all, XRP is in the tank. I get it. It's been in the tank for like a decade. But I sure as hell am not going to dump it. And ain't no way I'll dump it because you told me to. You were talking about Bitcoin. You were talking about Ethereum. And you were way off. Not even close. And now you're telling me to dump my XRP for bread? What the hell is bread? So, XRP follows Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin can hold this all-time high break on the weekly candle, like I talked about in an earlier video today, XRP is going to follow. It doesn't have the SEC holding it back anymore. Now, I know the SEC just sued Ripple for $2 billion. Well, who gives a shit? All right. Suing Ripple for $2 billion. First of all, that's a joke. They'll be lucky. I would go to them and say, hey, here's a settlement for $5. That's probably what they're going to get. That doesn't mean nothing to XRP. It does have legal clarity. But as far as dump it, don't you dare dump your XRP at this stage. Not a chance. Hey, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button on your way out. Hit that little bell to get notified when I shoot a brand new ripple effect. And if you enjoyed this ripple effect, click right here on this one. It's all about XRP. You're going to love it. Click right here.